Hey everyone, today I brought to you this interesting dash cam mirror. It's really amazing and it will help you record in a better way. It comes in a very nice and unique box like that. It makes a really wonderful gift for your friends. This is the manual. It comes really nicely wrapped like this. And you just hang it on your car mirror. You don't need much installation. This is the dash mirror, so it's a mirror from one side and it's a camera from the other side. It has all the tools, everything that you need, all the cables, all the connectors. It has the lighter connection with a USB-C cable, a back camera, this one here, and you can just hook it with this 3M glue sticker. It's very convenient and it comes with a little piece of cloth so you can clean before you glue on. Look at this. This is the camera here, right? And you can pull it out, and it comes with these here, and those basically will go on this, and you will hook it around your mirror here. Basically, you will just be placing it over the mirror like that, and you will just hook. I don't know if you can see it, but this will hold it in place like this. I hooked it. Look at this. It's hooked on my camera. On my mirror. And now, here you go. Let me remove this film here. And yes, I can see the back very well. Connecting it and connecting here.
Back. I'm gonna clean this place up.
So let's see. I'm gonna choose English. Next. So I have done all the connections. I even connected the rear camera, and you can just hook it up in the back, whatever you find suitable. Those are the cables. This is the auxiliary. This is the rear camera connection here, and this is where you hook it with the power. And here is the SD cam slot here, and this is, I have hooked it up with Bluetooth. You go on home and you can either play Carplay and you can make phone calls in here, or you can just go on playback to see all the recordings that you have done, or you can open the rear camera, and this is me here on the rear camera. Hey, so this is the rear camera, or let's go back, and this is the front camera. This is the view here, and those are recorded videos. If you want to open like a live video, you open the DVR, and these are live. This is a live video. Let's drive a little bit, and as you can see, it just changes the view. It can lock and you can hear the sounds or record the sounds, or we can press recording or stop, and we can open the library here to see the videos that we have recorded, and we can play with the brightness from this side here. And this is where we connect it via Bluetooth, auxiliary in, and loudspeaker. It's very convenient and really nice. And this is the camera from this side. It's here. This is the camera. Let's remove this film. This is the camera, and it's retractable, it's removable. There's no installation required for this. All we need to do is just remove the film and just stick it on the place where we want to stick it on. It's super easy and very convenient. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching. Let's call.
Bro, Johnny's just...
Go back. DVR. And let's change the view. Go down. Yes. Cheers.